Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to instantly add the Instagram lead details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet for the easy analysis and tracking of my leads. Here I'm running a digital marketing agency and I capture a lot of leads from my Instagram lead ads. I've created this automation workflow to keep the track of my leads and do not lose these leads. So we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not, and then we are going to start creating this from the scratch. So I'm on this lead ads testing tool and I'm going to create a lead. As I click on this create lead, a test data will be sent from this meta to my workflow, and if the connection is working fine, all the details will be added here to this Google Sheet spreadsheet. Let me check this once. I'm going to click on this create lead and you will see the test data will be sent here. And here it is, your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. So the data has been sent. Let me open my Google Sheet spreadsheet and check, and here it is. We have already automatically and instantly added the test details which is sent by this meta. The first name is first name, this is the dummy data, last name is last name, email address is test@meta.com, and the phone number is this. This is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how we can also create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to add my Instagram lead ads directly, automatically and instantly to my Google Sheet spreadsheet, such that whenever I receive a new lead from my Instagram, it is automatically added for the lead tracking in my Google Sheet spreadsheet. For this, I'm simply going to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page will appear in front of me, where I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I have to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I have named this workflow as auto save Instagram leads to Google Sheets, and now I'm going to select the folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Instagram automations and then click on create. So here you will see workflow will be created successfully, and here as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter a trigger application. Now trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new Instagram lead, it is automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Instagram lead ads, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Instagram lead ads, and in my trigger event, I am going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I have already logged in my Facebook, and my Instagram and my Facebook are connected, so I'm going to continue with the same Facebook account, and you will see Instagram lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization, and here connection created successfully. Instagram lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the page and the lead gen for. To get this page, I'm going to open my Facebook account, and this is the page which I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, using which I will be running all my advertisements. My Instagram and my Facebook are connected, so I'm running a campaign on Meta ads where my Facebook page and my Instagram account are connected. And if I open my Instagram, on the left hand side you can see this option of more, from where I'm going to click on the settings, and then I'm going to click on the see more in account center. You will find that my Instagram and my Facebook are connected. I'll go back towards my workflow. I'll select the page as Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to enter this lead gen form. Now for this, I'm going to open Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com, and then from here you have to go towards this developer tools where this page will open, and you have to scroll down and then click on this lead ads RTO debug tool. Then this lead ads testing tool will open in front of me where I have to enter the page and the lead gen form. So in this page, I'm going to search for this Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to enter the form. So over here you can see all the forms which I've created. If I go back towards my workflow, I'm going to select this new lead ads form. So here I have selected this new lead ads form, and then you can see that we do not get this preview option anymore. So you do not have to worry about this. You do not get the preview option now. You cannot send the test lead by yourself. You simply have to click on this create lead, and the test data will be sent by this Meta only. I'm going to go back towards my workflow, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I'll go back towards this lead ads testing tool, and then I'm going to click on this create lead option. You will see the test data will be sent. And as I send this test data, you will see the connection setup which we have created is working fine. You can see your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. So here the data has been sent. I'm going to open my workflow and check whether I've received any response there or not, and 6 seconds ago I have received the response. So I've received the test details. So the test details are this: the first name is first name, then we have received the last name as last name, we have received the email address as test@meta.com, and then we have received the dummy phone number as this dummy data for phone number. Then we have received the rest of the details. Now here, as soon as we have received these details, we can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add the lead details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets. In my action event, I'm going to select add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after choosing that account, you have to grant away the permission. After that, you simply have to grant away the permission by clicking on this allow, and you will see Google Sheets will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to first select the spreadsheet. So if I open my Google Sheets account, this is the spreadsheet which I have created by the name Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select the same spreadsheet, Instagram lead ads, and then as I select this spreadsheet, you will see all the fields will change over here. In this spreadsheet, I have the fields first name, last name, email, and phone. So the fields are here. Now I need to enter these details, the value to these fields, but I'm not going to enter these details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. Now, if you are an existing user, you already know about mapping, but if you are a new user, here I'm going to map the response from this Instagram lead ads response which I have received. So for that, to map this, I'm going to enter slash, and as I enter this slash, I can see this Instagram lead ads, and then I'm going to map the first name as this one, the response which I have received, the last name as this one, then I'm going to enter the email address as this one, and then I'm going to enter the phone number here as this one. Now over here you see mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'll simply click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and check whether I have added all these details there or not. So here it is, I have added all the details. The first name was first name, the last name was last name, email address was test@meta.com, and this was the dummy detail for the phone number which we have received. So now to summarize, we took Instagram lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to add that to Google Sheets. We took Google Sheets as application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally added the lead details. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Now before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.